Okay, so this is another project we are doing today. Before, this was a closet in a hallway, like a pantry closet, and the homeowner decided to close the opening. So I'm going to frame a wall right here. So this wall continues straight to the bedroom opening. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to cut all that drywall because I'm going to have studs here, wood studs everywhere. And I want to make sure I'm nailing plate to plate, wood to wood. I don't want the drywall in between. So a stud is about 3.5 inches wide. So I mark 3.5 inches. I'm just going to remove that whole section of drywall. And here I'm going to do 3.5 inches as well on this wall. Always set your level so you're nice and clean. Don't look like a clown. And same thing here. You want to be nice and straight. We know that all of this, I'm going to remove. Take my sawzall, cut the line. So when you cut with a sawzall like this, you want to make sure this section of the tool is against the wall because you don't want to plunge this blade too deep and cut a wire or water line or a gas line. So make sure you don't go too far. There you go, drywall's out. So now we have to clean the studs. We still have some screws, we have some drywall. If the drywall didn't cut through, make sure to score it with a razor blade. So it's nice and clean. Now we're going to remove all those screws. So you can either remove them with a hammer, or you can use a drill. I like the drill better because the studs don't split. It takes a little bit longer, but it's better. There you go, we are all clean now. Nothing on the way, ready to go. Okay, so now our opening is ready. It's all cleaned up. We have no nails, no screws, no drywall. It's ready to go. We are going to measure our bottom plate and our top plate. Install those two plates, then do vertical framing members, and we are done. 24.25 and 24.75. Okay, 24.75, and next one 24.25. Perfect. So just follow the same plate on top. You see the plate right here? With the drywall on it, follow the plate, nail it, and you're good to go. Before I nail my bottom plate, I'm going to measure my verticals and I'm going to level them because I don't want to nail my bottom plate and be out of level and out of plumb. I'm going to measure. We are at 79 on this side and 78 and 13/16. Okay? So 78 and 13/16. And the next one is going to be 79. Make sure you're nice and level. It's beautiful, isn't it, John?
That looks nice.
Yeah, this one's perfect too. So that's why I didn't nail my bottom plate. I wanted to make sure I was nice and plumb here on those verticals. And now I can go to town. Right, Mr. Framer?
Yes, you can. Go for it. Nail away. I have an ADU.
Okay, and now I'm going to put one more plate in the middle. So I'm going to measure the distance. 21 inches, we will say. 10.5. So that's our center right here. We are going to put a plate right here. Another vertical. It's done. 78 and 15/16.
You hear the music?
Should we show the little trick to John to cut the...
Oh, I want to see a trick.
You cannot wait. Because John, you know, is not the best framer. We all know that.
Yeah.
Remember the square?
Oh, trick.
Remember what I was telling you about to make sure you're always bueno? See, I kept the line. There you go. Now you know. Same thing, you put your level on it. Make sure you're bueno. Right here, I'm perfect. Yep, right here. Boom. I can go to town. Ready for drywall. Easy peasy. Yeah, that's how you fill in a wall. We had an opening. We already have the header on it. You know, that's not structural. That's just a little wall we put on. We can cover this with drywall like nothing ever happened. Easy. All the way to the ceiling? All the way to the ceiling? All the way to the ceiling?
Yes.